Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. This video we have a tool haul. We have 47 pounds of new tools to take a look at. This came from the Snow Joe deal we talked about the other day. And you guys know when the deals are amazing, I'm the first in line. So picked up a bunch of stuff. The deal is actually still going on for a couple more days if you're watching this as soon as I'm uploading it. And I did print out something for all the prices, so I'll be able to tell you guys how much I paid for the individual items. But the deal was you bought a bare tool and you got a free 3 amp hour starter kit. So you can see I got quite a bit here in the box. Let's open it up and check it out. Look at all that. We got tools for days in there. First, let's take a look at these starter kits we get. So it's all Einhell tools, 18 volt, 3 amp hour, 50 amp. See if we can organize out all these starter kits. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we start out with 7 of the starter kits. Open one of these guys up. So there we got the charger. The output is 3 amps, so it should take 3 amp hour battery. It should take about an hour to get a full charge on that. Goes with the battery, which is a little bit on the beefy side. We have a fuel gauge on it. Do a little bit of a comparison. Here's a 2 from DeWalt, and here's the 3 from Einhell. So I don't know, almost twice the size for the 3. Let's see, we have register at EinhellUSA.com and receive an additional 90 days extended warranty. And here's the instructions. Trying to see, does it say what the... So we have 7 starter kits, which means we got 7 tools coming up. You know what? Just throw it on the charger, get it ready. I don't know if you can see that. Red light flashing. Well, actually, red light staying on. Alright, charge that sucker up. Let's go. First thing we got is the Einhell 18 volt 5 inch cordless random orbit sander. The orbital sander is $49.99. Again, there's a link down below to all these Einhell deals. $49.99 with the free starter kit. Next thing we have is the Einhell 18 volt 2 inch. Next we have the Einhell 2-in-1 cordless grass shear and hedge trimmer. Good look at that guy. 2-year warranty it says on there. Toolless changing of the blades for flexible garden care. And this was $49.99. Next up, we have 18 volt cordless handheld vacuum. So it comes with all the little accessories. You even get the little post on there, which I kind of like, the extension. And the vacuum was only $39. Next up, they had to put a sticker right over the front of the damn thing. It's the 18 volt cordless corner palm sander. Little mouse sander guy. Next, another little outdoor tool. It's the Einhell 18 volt cordless broadcast hand spreader. I'm really excited to check this thing out. It's not something I'd use a ton, but boy, it'd be fun to be battery operated and not going like you're fishing or something. It's just not getting the reward of the fish. Looks like it's got a variable speed on there. It's actually got two different dials. I don't know, that's probably controlling the volume, how much is spreading, and then speed. I'm assuming one's speed and one's volume, but who knows. Let's see. That bottom one was speed control. This one is regulation of distribution, so I was right, but reversed. Individually adjustable spreading width. That'll be fun to try. How much was the spreader? The spreader was a whopping $39. And this one was probably my favorite, and in my excitement I accidentally bought two. So we'll figure out what to do with the other one. But there's one, and there's two. So it is their cordless chainsaw sharpener. How cool is that? I don't know anyone else who's selling a cordless chainsaw sharpener. Maybe they're out there. I haven't seen them. At least not the brands that I dick around with. That is awesome. That might be the first one I try because I got some chainsaws that gotta get sharpened. How cool is that? I wonder how long that 3 amp hour battery will last on one of these. I bet it'll actually last a while. Alright guys, let's see what the total was. 7 bare tools, 7 starter kits with batteries and chargers, free shipping was $317. I think I got a steal, guys. I'm going to keep a couple starter kits for myself, sell a couple of starter kits, probably sell one of these chainsaw sharpeners because I didn't mean to buy 2. I think we did good. At the very least, we'll have $300 worth of fun. And that's all that really matters, right? So there it is, guys. If you're interested, they had a bunch of other stuff. I was kind of more looking at oddball stuff that I didn't already own in other battery platforms. So I didn't get like the drill or the impact driver. But they had that. They even had a miter saw, which really tempted me. Because I think it was $150 or something, and you get the miter saw with the starter kit. Boy, that would be interesting to try out. But I was going for the cheapies. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Give the video a like. Subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. I'm going to see you. And I'll see you guys next time.